Chapter 1. Beyond the Billionaire. Who is Warren Buffett? Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on a journey to understand one of the greatest financial minds of our time, Warren Buffett. You've probably heard his name, often associated with immense wealth and incredible investment success. But who exactly is this man, often called the Oracle of Omaha? Warren Buffett is more than just a billionaire. He's a legendary investor, a shrewd businessman, and a remarkable philanthropist. His unique approach to the stock market has made him one of the wealthiest people on the planet. But his story isn't just about money. It's about discipline, patience, and a deep understanding of human nature. In this video, we'll explore his humble beginnings, delve into his powerful investment philosophy, and discover the timeless wisdom that has guided his decisions for decades. Get ready to uncover the secrets of a man who sees companies, not just stocks, and invests for a future, not just a quick profit. Chapter 2. The Boy from Omaha, Early Lessons in Value. Every giant has a beginning, and Warren Buffett's story starts in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930. Even as a child, he showed an uncanny knack for making and managing money. He started his first business ventures at a very young age, like running a paper route or placing pinball machines in barbershops. These weren't just childhood hobbies. They were early lessons in entrepreneurship and compound interest. He meticulously saved every penny and reinvested his earnings. He devoured books on business and investing, showing a hunger for knowledge that few possess. This early foundation proved crucial for his future. His intellectual journey led him to Columbia University, where he met his intellectual mentor, Benjamin Graham. Graham was the father of value investing, a concept that would become the cornerstone of Buffett's entire career. Graham taught him to view stocks not as mere pieces of paper that fluctuate in price, but as ownership stakes in real businesses. This fundamental idea completely reshaped Buffett's perspective and set him on a path to legendary success. Chapter 3. The Graham Influence, Value Investing Fundamentals. Benjamin Graham's teachings were revolutionary, and Warren Buffett absorbed them like a sponge. So, what exactly is value investing? It's about buying something for less than its true worth. Imagine buying a $10 bill for $5. That's value investing in a nutshell. Buffett learned to analyze a company's intrinsic value, its true worth, based on its assets, earnings potential, and future prospects. He then looked for companies whose stock prices were trading below this intrinsic value. This difference, the gap between the market price and the intrinsic value, is what Graham called the margin of safety. It's like a cushion against unexpected problems. Buffett wasn't interested in hot trends or speculative stocks. He wanted solid, well-run businesses that were temporarily out of favor or simply overlooked by the broader market. He often says, "Price is what you pay. Value is what you get." This simple quote perfectly summarizes his approach. He taught us to be patient, to do our homework, and to only invest in what we truly understand. This discipline, this commitment to buying businesses at a discount, became his superpower. Chapter 4. Berkshire Hathaway. In 1965, Warren Buffett acquired a struggling textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. This acquisition marked a pivotal moment. Instead of trying to revive the declining textile business, Buffett transformed Berkshire Hathaway into an investment holding company. This was a stroke of genius. Under his leadership, Berkshire Hathaway became a vehicle for acquiring and owning a diverse portfolio of businesses. He bought entire companies like See's Candies and BNSF Railway. He also made significant investments in publicly traded companies like Coca-Cola and, more recently, Apple. What's the common thread among these seemingly disparate businesses? Buffett focused on companies with strong, understandable business models, consistent earnings, and a durable competitive advantage, often called an economic moat. This moat protects the company from competitors, ensuring its long-term profitability. He famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." This highlights his commitment to long-term investing, allowing the power of compound interest to work its magic over decades. Chapter 5. The Oracle's Wisdom. Timeless Investment Principles. Over the years, Warren Buffett has shared his wisdom through annual shareholder letters and his famous annual meetings. His advice is often simple, yet profound. Here are some of his most famous principles. First, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This contrarian approach means buying when others are panicking and selling when enthusiasm is running high. It's about controlling emotions, not letting market sentiment dictate your decisions. Second, never invest in a business you cannot understand. This is his circle of competence rule. Stick to what you know. If you don't understand how a company makes money, don't invest in it. Third, it's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. He prioritizes business quality over a cheap stock price. A great business will generate wealth over the long term, even if you pay a reasonable price for it. Fourth, focus on the long term. Short-term market fluctuations are just noise. True wealth is built by holding quality assets for years, even decades. He treats owning a stock like owning a piece of the business, not just a tradable commodity. These principles, while simple, require immense patience and discipline to follow. Chapter 6. Beyond Investing, Philanthropy and Legacy. While his investment genius is undeniable, Warren Buffett's legacy extends far beyond the financial world. He is also one of the world's most generous philanthropists. He gave away nearly all of his fortune, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This commitment is one of the largest acts of charity in human history. Despite his vast wealth, Buffett lives a remarkably modest life in the same house he bought decades ago. He is a testament to the idea that true success isn't just measured by money, but by impact. He uses his platform to advocate for various social issues and encourage others to give back. Warren Buffett's story is a powerful reminder that financial success can be achieved through integrity, clear thinking, and a long-term perspective. He has taught us that investing is not just about numbers. It's about understanding businesses, understanding people, and having the patience to let your investments grow. He truly is the Oracle of Omaha, and his wisdom will continue to inspire generations of investors and individuals alike.